Hello everyone. In this video, let's talk about proper nutrition to boost immunity after COVID. Have you or your loved ones been sick with COVID? Do you feel that immunity is weakened after COVID? You're tired? You do not have vital energy? Are you feeling unwell? Here is a recipe for a natural boost in immunity after a coronavirus infection. Change your menu. Skip processed foods and don't buy prepared food from the supermarket. It has no natural nutrients. All that will help you boost your immunity is fresh and natural products. First of all, of course, it is fermented organic kefir, yogurt and cheese from milk. These foods improve the action of beneficial bacteria, probiotics, internally in the intestines. The microbiota that fermented foods help is in the gut. Here is a list of top sources of probiotics: organic kefir, yogurt, fermented natural cheeses, fermented milk products, sauerkraut. Include fresh fruits and vegetables in your menu. They contain vitamin C, which stimulates the activity of our immune cells. It seems that I said the main thing. But I forgot some things. Why is there a bun here, you ask? But what about without it? In fact, the secret is simple, because it is a cheese bun. I made this bun with wheat flour. Wheat flour and cereal products are excellent sources of zinc. Zinc helps human immune cells produce antimicrobial molecules. By the way, a detailed recipe for these cheese buns is on my channel. I recommend it. Also, don't forget to subscribe and thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. Do you like this recommendation? Put it in the comments below. Please be sure to like this video and like and subscribe with a notification for you. If you are not yet subscribed to my channel, hit the red button down below. Bye bye, be healthy.